You're watching the News Hour at 9.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We just demonstrated to you what good Samaritans are doing for those who have been struck with COVID. But there is another group of people who have thrown caution to the winds. A day after the farmers' leaders announced that they would be marching to Delhi, at least they had plans. Now, you can see on the Delhi borders in Tikri, an iftar party that went on last night. And you can just see those visuals. No masks, no social distancing. They're all together and enjoying life, which is fine if it was a normal time. But this is not a normal time. On the other hand, you look at the Tikri border visuals that are coming. Congregations of this kind, look at the number of people. Yes, we all love our fellow human beings, but this is not the time to be sitting like this. Everybody's life risked out there, even at a time when the Election Commission of India has banned all road shows, bike rallies, requested people to go virtual. They've allowed some rallies, at least, on big grounds, 500 people with all the guidelines of, precautions being taken only so that the candidates who are taking part in the 6th, 7th and 8th phases of the polls do not have a disadvantage as compared to the first 4 phases of polling. So they've kept that option, hoping that people will not use it. The Prime Minister has cancelled his rallies in Bengal. Mamata Banerjee just a little while ago has followed the Prime Minister and cancelled her own rallies. But these congregations, these parties carrying on by these farmers who are still protesting against a law that has been put in abeyance. And that's the issue of debate tonight, ladies and gentlemen. And let me get in my panel tonight. Dushyant Nagar joining the panel with Gaurav Bhatia as well as Riju Datta. And Dushyant Nagar जी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, कम से कम इनकी जान की आप हिफाजत तो कर लीजिए. आप सपोर्ट करते हैं किसानों को, बहुत अच्छी बात है, हम सब सपोर्ट करते हैं. लेकिन इस वक्त जान है तो जहान है हमारा नारा होना चाहिए. ये इस तरह के इफ्तार पार्टी और इस तरह के जो गैदरिंग्स हैं, कम से कम ये तो नहीं होने चाहिए. आप भी मानेंगे?
मैडम, लाखों की भीड़ कल तक प्रधानमंत्री की रैलियों में बंगाल के अंदर थी, गृह मंत्री जी की रैलियों में थी. आपने एक बार भी सवाल नहीं उठाया. ये किसान अपने मन से नहीं आया, ये खुशी होके नहीं आया.
दुष्यंत नागर जी, नहीं, मैं आपको रोक दूं. हर रैली पर और हर कुंभ मेले की गैदरिंग पर हमने सवाल उठाया. ये हमारा कैंपेन था. स्टॉप सुपर स्प्रेडर इवेंट्स टाइम्स नाउ का कैंपेन था और इसको हमने हर मोड़ पर उठाया. दुष्यंत नागर जी, कम से कम अपना होमवर्क करके आया करिए. Well, I think we have lost the line with Dushyant Nagar, but Gaurav Bhatia, as always, टोपी पहनाने का काम चल रहा है.
Such is the hypocrisy, and if the two panelists here can answer any of my questions. First of all, I request you not to call them farmers. Farmers give lives, they don't take lives. And these are the political farmers out for their own vested interests when the law has been stayed by the Honorable Supreme Court. But I am asking, Captain Amarinder Singh ji, he is the Chief Minister of the state, and there is a lockdown going on there. Why did he allow these farmers, the so-called farmers, to march towards Delhi? 1. 2. Section 144, has it been invoked? And if yes, then how can these farmers walk towards Delhi, risking other citizens' life? Third, where are the leaders from the Congress party, the Aam Aadmi Party, or the TMC? We saw how these so-called farmers reached West Bengal to influence the election, and they were being welcomed by senior leaders of the TMC on the instructions of Mamata Banerjee. And last
Riju Datta, Miss Mamata Banerjee has been condemning all public gatherings, has been blaming the BJP leaders, including the Prime Minister and the Home Minister, but she's called off her rallies only now, after the Prime Minister. Why, Riju Datta, can't political leaders set examples rather than following them?
Navika ji, first of all, when the Prime Minister issued his statement that he is not going to come to Bengal tomorrow, just a little time later than that, the EC executed the order that we are cancelling on rallies. So, you know, it is very open in the naked eye, and just to respect the Election Commission's order, Mamata Banerjee has also taken the call. Now, talking about the farmers issue, the narrative of the debate, ma'am, when BJP people say that, you know, they are going to march, they are going to kill people, they are going to, be a super spreader and everything, how many times on your channel, ma'am, I have said that from the Honorable Home Minister's residence, it is, Gaurav ji, मुझे बस खत्म करने दीजिए, please sir, उसके बाद आप जवाब दे दीजिए. I have said multiple times, Gaurav ji, इसी शो पे, इसी चैनल पे, Navika जी के सामने, जब ये सेकंड वेव आया भी नहीं था, that why this ego, why this arrogance. गृह मंत्री जी के घर से 30 मिनट का दूर था सिंगू बॉर्डर, वो 1500 किलोमीटर बंगाल में खाना खाने आ गए किसान के घर पे, एक बार जा नहीं पाए. आज 11 राउंड टॉक्स हुए, कोई रिजल्ट नहीं निकला. प्राइम मिनिस्टर जैसे कुंभ मेला में
दुष्यंत नागर, कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह को इन लोगों को रोकना चाहिए कि नहीं रोकना चाहिए? मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ, गौरव, I'll come to you, but दुष्यंत नागर, I want to ask you, मेरे पास बहुत कम समय है, लेकिन दुष्यंत नागर, जान बचाइए इनकी. बीजेपी की जान जाती है जाए, आप इनकी तो जान बचाइए.
खलनायक बनाने की प्रयास कर रहे हैं. कोविड की महामारी के समय भी इन्होंने उनसे बातचीत करने का कोई प्रयास नहीं किया. 4 महीना हो गया, लॉज को ठंडे बस्ते में डाल दिया. अब किस लिए बैठे हैं? किसान को उसकी फसल का भाव नहीं मिल रहा, किसान परेशान है. किसान कहाँ जाएगा?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, politics continues, but all I want to say, and Gaurav Bhatia, I have to apologize to you. I'm completely out of time, but I just want to say this to you people, that we worry for their lives. It's not that we are against protests. It's not that we are against the farmers of this country. It's just that this kind of behavior will only multiply the COVID infections. And we've been saying all along as a campaign, stop super spreader events. Ladies and gentlemen, prevention is the only cure that we have right now. Let's just prevent COVID from spreading. Let's take our own precautions, which are in our own hands. Mask up, and be careful. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining me on this debate number 2. Good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.
The News Hour at 9.